12. In just 12 months, Ampere has set the pace in the development of electric and intelligent vehicles. 11. 11,000 employees are now dedicated to electrics and software. Together, they are building the future. 10. 10 is the total number of new models arriving in our dealers' network this year, a record. 9. 9 innovation trophies awarded this year to promote the pioneering spirit and creativity within our teams. 8. The group has surrounded itself with 8 new major partners to think big and go faster. 7. 7 world premieres at the Paris Motor Show. Renault 4 and Emblème, Mobilize Duo and Bento, Dacia Bigster, Alpine Alpenglow High-6 and A390 Bitter. 6. Nearly 6% of the group's capital is now held by our employees, a commitment that makes all the difference. 5. It's the year of the Renault 5. Iconic, popular and revolutionized in 100% electric. 4. 4 victories. Renault Scenic E-Tech Electric, Renault Master, Renault 5 E-Tech Electric and Alpine A290 voted Cars of the Year. 3. 3 companies are joining forces to create a revolutionary generation of electric vans. Volvo, CMA CGM and Renault Group. 2. 2 impactful initiatives to improve the health of citizens and Renault Group employees. You First Vision and One Health. 1. 1 year of success, 1 year of innovation, 1 year of Renaulution. These highlights testify to the drive and commitment of our teams worldwide. 2024 has set the pace. 2025 will accelerate it.